Hello, today I am going to show you how you can combine multiple character animations and also fix the location reset issue. So let's start. So first let me download some animations from Mixamo. Let me first get a walking animation. I will select with skin option and change to 60 FPS and click on download. Similarly, I will get a jogging animation. Make sure to change it to without skin, and click on download. Let me also get a third animation. I will select without skin and download. Let me delete everything in the scene. Now let me import my first animation with the character. To see the keyframes, go to View and uncheck Only Show Selected. As you can see, when I play the animation, it stops after the keyframes are over. To fix this issue, select all the keyframes, press Shift+E and select Make Cyclic. Now it is repeating, but it is also resetting the location. To fix this, open Graph Editor. Unselect this arrow option to see the graphs. Select any one graph, go to Modifiers, and change After Mode to Repeat with Offset. Then click on Copy Modifiers icon. Bring your cursor on the graph, press A to select all graphs, and click on Paste Modifiers icon. Now if we play, the animation plays continuously as we wanted. Now next step is to go to Dope Sheet. Select Action Editor from drop-down. Select your armature. Let me rename this to Walk. Also change the name here as well. Now let me open Non-Linear Animation Editor, and click on this push down button. Let me increase the end frame to 250. Now let me import my second animation. Let me rename this to Run. And rename here as well. We will repeat the same steps to make this animation continuous as well. So first I will select all keyframes. Press Shift+E and select Make Cyclic. Now go to Graph Editor. Select one graph and in Modifiers, change the After Mode to Repeat with Offset. Click on Copy Modifiers. Press A to select all and press Paste Modifiers. Now go to Dope Sheet. Hide the Run armature. Select the original Walk armature, and in the drop-down, select Run. Now in the NLA editor, press the push down button. I will increase the end frame to 250. I will select the Run track, and change the extrapolation mode to nothing. Now I will deselect the Run track, and see on which frame do I want to end my walk animation and where to start my run animation. So let me mark my location where I want to start my run animation. Now I will enable run, and adjust my run animation to my marked location. I think this is fine. So now I will right-click and select Split Strips, and I will delete the left strip. Now right-click on Walk Animation and select Split Strips, and delete the strip to the right as we do not need it. But now the change in animation is a lot harsh. To fix this, select the Run animation and increase the blend in value. Yes, I think this is fine. Now let's add a third animation. I will repeat all the steps which we did earlier to make the animation continuous. First I will make it cyclic. Then I will go to Graph Editor and select any one graph and change the After mode to Repeat with Offset. Copy modifiers, select all, and paste modifiers. Now go to Dope Sheet, change the name here to Crouch. Change here as well. Hide this armature. Select our main armature, and in the drop-down select Crouch. Now here click on Push-Down icon. Now as you can see, it came on same track. To fix this, click on Run Track. Go to Track and click on Add. Now drag your crouch animation above. Also increase the end frame to 250. Now let me see where I can start my crouch animation. I will mark my location. Enable the crouch animation and drag to adjust to the marked location. Let me add some more frames to the animation. And now I will try to match the location. This looks fine. I will again make end frame to 250. Then I will right-click and choose Split Strips. Then delete the unwanted strip. Change the extrapolation to nothing. Let me also increase the blend in value. Let me adjust the end frame for this to 250 as it is going beyond 250. So as you can see, we have combined 3 animations, and also one animation starts where the previous animation ends. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.